Okay, guys, welcome back to the old so-and-so. We're continuing fall decor. And guys, I believe that so far, this, for me, is the most easier way to decorate, is a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Alrighty, now, I have this. And I'm thinking that this wool blanket will look good upstairs. And I'm thinking that these pillows might look good. Let's see, I wonder if I could grab those pillows at the same time, because I think these pillows might look good in the living room. So, let's hope I don't knock anything over as I drag it all out. Alrighty. We're going to just throw those there. And let's go upstairs to the bonus room. I haven't done anything up here. I'm thinking about this blanket back there. I think that will definitely be fallish. All right, so let me place it and see what happens. Alrighty, guys, that's about as fall as you can get. Now, I have 2 pillows. You know, the nice thing about this stuff, if you don't like it, you could always change it up. I thought this one was cool. I really love the big old buttons. And of course, this is a thrift store find. I don't know. Okay. Now, let's look around and think about what is in there that we could bring up here. Now, we could bring pumpkins. Let's go back down. Alrighty. I hope you hold on. Okay, so I gathered a few things in this bin, but I'm also going to see if I can incorporate this upstairs. So, hold on. I don't think I can hold the phone in all this, too. Let's meet upstairs in the bonus room. Okay, so I was looking around, and my only option is for this painting to go here, which I believe after the fall, it'll be an easy move. So, let's get the hammer and the nail out again. Okay, so I got these books. The orange, yellow, and green. And I'm kind of wanting to put them here. Oops. Now, back in the summer, I thrifted these owls at an estate sale. And these were, well, I call them buy one, get one, because it was 50% off that day. And so, I guess you could say $2 a piece. Let me remove the stickers. Okay. And I also have this. I don't know if I could prop this up. Hold on. Hopefully it'll stay. Probably not. But these leaves, they had fallen off some garland. And then I got this at Antique Zone 231 when she was having all her discounts on the fall items. I don't know if this is... I don't know. Sit still. So these were $3. And I'm sure she probably marked them down to 50% off. So, good tags. Well, there. Now, I'm just going to stretch these out a little bit. And try to, sorry about my finger. I'm going to sit that there to see what it would look like. And then before I put that owl back on top, I think I'm going to stick one of these in there. Maybe do one in the back underneath it. Okay. What do you think? And then just kind of throw these here and there. Okay. Now, let's see what else I can do. Okay, so these were the books that were over there. And I didn't want to take anything downstairs. So I thought I would put a pumpkin and then maybe the gourd here. There you go. Now, I believe I need to bring in some small pumpkins over here. Maybe some leaves underneath my deer. Alrighty. Got to make sure I take my hammer. And yes, I sound funny. I've definitely had a cold. But you know what? We all plug away. Let's see what else I can go downstairs and find. I guess this needs to be... Let's see if I can decorate that. But I don't want a whole lot. And I don't want a lot of orange. So let's see what I find. Okay, so the next thing I would like to do is I'd like to decorate this. This is a focal point in this room. This goes to the TV, so I'm going to put this one beside the chair. This is for the DVD, VHS, whatever that is. So I'm just going to set that on top of that because we don't watch movies very much. So hold on just a second. I got a cough. Alrighty. Now, the nice thing about all your little garlands and stuff, when these fall off, make sure you save them. They will help so much. Now, this was just one of those picks. I don't even remember where I purchased this one. But I'm going to take the wire cutter and I'm just literally going to clip them. Sorry. I couldn't get over to the button fast enough. Oops. And I don't know if it was me stirring all the dust up in the house or if it was that one estate sale when Todd and I went down in the basement. That stuff was so moldy and mildewy. The items that I brought in the house, it made my throat sore, so I had to take it outside. All right, we're just going to lay some of these things. Okay, hold on. Okay. I guess I need to make sure that that's in the middle. And we don't get in these drawers very much because I have Christmas in there. Hold on, guys. Okay. Now, I want to do something with these little guys over here. I don't want to leave them out. Let's see what else I have in here. And I got these little pumpkins the other day. Let's see, it came in a bag. Okay. Now, what else is in here? Sometimes you have to look at it from a distance. I think I need just a few pumpkins. I kind of wanted to use this. I got it at the thrift store for $1. Get the tag off. I wanted a pumpkin on there. I don't know what that's going to look like. I can't have anything real tall. I don't know. I like that. And I also have these things. Because I really like using the vintage in my decor. I don't know. The only thing is that going to bother Todd? Because he sits over here and I sit over there. But then I also have this. I really would like to use something like this. I think that's going to be too tall. So maybe just add a few of the little small pumpkins here and there. This is the one I made. You guys could do this. And, I mean, I always have these things. Okay. I have another pumpkin. And a little bit more greenery, and I think that'll be a wrap. Perfect. Alrighty, guys. So, I hope you stay tuned on my journey of decorating a little bit at a time. And I am really excited about doing it this way. So, until next time, have fun decorating.